So many of you asked in comments about yawn. Well, today, let's
The
explain.
science of yawning. Why do we do it? What is yawning? Yawning is a complex, involuntary reflex characterized by a wide opening of the mouth and a deep intake of breath. This process typically lasts between 4 and 7 seconds. The physiological process of yawning involves several steps. First, a long inhale through the nose and mouth. Then the muscles around the mouth and throat stretch. This is followed by a brief moment of maximum stretching and air intake. Finally, breathing returns to normal. Looking at the neurological aspects, neurotransmitters in the hypothalamus play a key role in initiating the yawning process. Brain imaging reveals increased activity in areas associated with empathy when observing someone else yawn. Contagious yawning is a real phenomenon. Yawning can be triggered by seeing, hearing, or even thinking about someone else yawning. This contagious effect spreads from person to person. This multifaceted behavior has even been given its own field of study called chasmology, the scientific study of yawning. It's a multidisciplinary approach involving neuroscience, physiology, psychology, and evolutionary biology. Despite extensive research, scientists have not reached a definitive consensus on why we yawn. Several theories attempt to explain why we yawn. The brain arousal theory suggests that yawning helps keep the brain awake during boring activities by stimulating the carotid artery, increasing heart rate, and releasing wake-promoting hormones. Another theory proposes that yawning aids in brain thermoregulation by increasing blood flow to the face, allowing heat to dissipate and sending cooler blood to the brain. The social communication and empathy theory suggests that contagious yawning is an empathetic response that helps humans and other mammals communicate and synchronize behavior. Other theories suggest yawning may equalize pressure in the ears, be linked to circadian rhythms, or facilitate surfactant distribution in the lungs. Experts like Andrew Gallup suggest yawning promotes changes in alertness or activity patterns, while others like Dr. Charles Sweet believe mirror neurons play a role in contagious yawning. Yawning can also be connected to mental health conditions and may be a sign of underlying health issues if excessive.